Alright. This is Thomas Mitchells. He's a voice actor, coach, and director. He's joining us today to help us refine how we approach voice acting for video games.
Let me know who here is a gamer. You drink video game water, Sky. Well, I really don't want to go at that. Pick a couple of them. That's what shows a bit of nonchalance and aloofness. If you do too many, that's when they start becoming a little bit more timid.
Okay. Could you do me a favor and fetch me a fuser?
Sure, I'll help.
Fucking A, I knew I was right to like you.
Hell yeah. Okay, let's get you being the angry chef.
You're so fucking stupid that you don't even know that you've done it, do you?
You're maybe like a fox with a cowboy hat on, you know, your tail's coming out. I'm not talking furries, everybody calm down. What are your favorite games? Baldur's Gate 3, liar, just because I'm wearing the shirt and you like me.
I can strike you a good offer that I feel will do nicely.
I say to people when they ask me how old I am, I'm approaching 70 from the wrong direction.
Oh, I just want to give him a hug. These people having their natural fun conversations just to give life into that space. Enjoy the feeling of maybe he's like showing off a gun. You know, oh, yeah, you probably don't want to point that at you.
You were on the Hyperion as it was getting ripped to shit, smashing through that big fuck off asteroid belt.
Without even questioning. You know, I think everyone could use their imagination there. Just changing things up a bit instantly can feel a change in that art direction. You get to have that full catharsis of just exploding out.
Bastard fucking operation you got!
That was so much fun to witness and perform.